Hey, what's going on, everybody? You know who it is. It's JJ back at it like an addict, no rehab, you know, because I'm addicted to giving you guys all this advice, the information you're going to need to get the car of your dreams open. Oh, man, you know what it is. It's the life of a car dealer, man, you know, picking up cars. You know, that's what I usually do because I buy cars on Wednesday, and then Thursday is the day I usually pick them up. You know, I don't like to mess with them usually the same day, but, you know, took my BMW, get my windows tinted, had luck come pick me up, so I was I was right around the corner from the auction, so we decided to go pick up this car from my brother, man. And look at that, stranded already on the side of the road, man. It's hot, sweating, you know. Sorry, it's 10 o'clock in the morning, and it's already this hot outside. You know, this car ain't having no AC. It's a Cadillac, so you know, having temperature problems. Look at that, now you look at that, we up here stranded out here on the side of the road, man. Look at this shit. Look at this, man. You know, nice looking Cadillac. You think like, oh man, that's a nice looking car, you know. You know, like, dang, that's a nice looking car. But you know, just because it's nice looking don't always mean it's gonna run good, you know. The temperature started to, like, the coolant light came on, so you know, I just decided to sit and pull over, you know. Didn't have any AC, so it's hot in there, you know, sweating. Then, you know, like I said, it's already hot early in the morning here in Oklahoma. But look at that, man, it's a clean Cadillac. You'll think like, man, that's a clean Cadillac, good tires, you know, you think it was well taken care of. But look at that, stranded over here on the side of the road. But when I turned the key, I didn't hear the fans kicking on, so that might just be the problem, that the fans ain't kicking on. So I'm gonna let it cool down and just see what it's doing. Have my brother bring the test light, check these fuses, make sure, you know. But this is the life of a car dealer, man. You buy a car, and you know, if you don't buy for a certain amount, you know, certain auctions is up to $1,500, certain auctions is $2,000 for you to be able to arbitrate a vehicle. You know, we didn't give that much for this vehicle. I mean, we gave him a little bit for the vehicle, but we didn't give the arbitration requirement. So you can't arbitrate it, so you just stuck with it. You know, you got to try to fix it and see what's wrong with it. Or, you know, sometimes you end up just taking a loss on vehicles. That's the thing, like in the car business, every vehicle that you buy is not a win. So you're not going to win on every vehicle. Like, once again, I'll show you, like, look, vehicle's clean all the way around. Somebody decided to put some decent tires on there. Look at that, clean little Cadillac. Got his little minor, you know, little weather stripping. But, you know, look at that. Interiors, besides that, still in fairly good shape for the year. But yeah, you know, we're gonna give you a little bit more advice, you know, at the end of this. But yeah, let me call him and see where he at, because, you know, I can't be stranded over here on the side of the road over here too long, because, you know, it's a lot of cops come up and down this area. You know, I don't want them to tow the car away, you know. So let me call him and get this car off the road, man. But that's the life of a car dealer, man. Like I said, you're not gonna, what's going on? Is it recording? That's the life of a car dealer, man. Like I said, you're not gonna win on every car. So I mean, do your best, like I said, to go the day before and just check them out. But I mean, you can check them out, but you can't really drive them, so you don't know how the transmission and stuff. So all you can really do is just check the fluids. You know, you can bring a scan tool if you want to. You know, I know people ask that. You can bring a scan tool if you want to. I mean, it might help you, but you know, that's up to you. You can bring one. I don't know if they really let you bring them the day before. I see a lot of people bring them the day of the auction to check them out. I don't think they want you messing with them the day before with a scan tool, you know, because they don't want it to be your car, and you scanning anything out, or, you know, clearing any check engine lights or nothing of that nature. But they'll let you bring one the day of the sale. Most of these auctions will. But yeah, let's get on to the next part of this video, you know. Look at that, got my baby tinted, you know, got it tinted. So, you know, just got the front window tinted. This part was already tinted, so I just got the front window tinted, and then got the little strip across there. It's dirty right now, so didn't get my back window tinted because they said it would have, the was a possible chance the weather stripping would have got removed, so I didn't get my back windshield tinted. So you can see I left the back windshield. It still got tint on there, but I didn't get it tinted. Re-tinted, because I didn't want the rear defrost. That's what it was. The rear defroster would have came off with it. So they said it was a possibility, so I didn't want that possibility. So, but yeah, we got the Cadillac back to the lot, man. Like you said, I was stranded for a little while, but we got it back to the lot. Figured out what the problem is. It's probably gonna need a water pump or a heater core. Probably gonna need both. So I don't know if my brother's gonna mess with it. Me personally, I wouldn't mess with it, because I mean, you know, I just take the loss on it, because you know, doing a water pump and then, you know, doing a heater core, and then, you know, you don't know what kind of damage that the person had the car previously for. You know, you don't know like how they was driving it. So you don't know if there's any damage to the engine. I mean, it doesn't seem like it is, but you never know. You put all this stuff back together, and then, you know, now you're out of even more money. So me, I would just take the hit on it. I mean, that's just me. I mean, you can't win on all the cars. Like I said, you know, you can buy cars all the time, you know. They look good, and then, you know, you get them back. So that'd be just my little advice to you guys. You know, just because the vehicle looks good on the outside doesn't mean, you know, it's going to be all the way taken care of. You know, a lot of times, like, so, you know, that's just me. Just like me, that's why I don't ever go off and buy a car based on what it looks like. And you guys shouldn't just buy a car based on what it looks like, because, you know, like the Cadillac, y'all seen it, you know, you walk around, it looks all clean, tires in good condition and stuff like that, interior's good, but, you know, water pump, heater core, you can get a car that looks good all the way around and needs a transmission. You know, you never know. So, you know, just don't be just buying cars based off of looks. That's just a little advice, because I be seeing it all the time too, like especially when I go to the auction on Friday and there's a lot of public. They'll just look, they won't even check out anything about the car. They'll just like, oh, this car looks good, and just assume that it's good, and then, you know, it end up being a bad car sometimes. Not all the time, but sometimes. So just don't buy a car just basically on solely how it looks. You know, do your due diligence, you know, still check it out. But that's all the little advice and information I'm gonna give you, that I got for you guys on this video. I'm about to go to the house, man. It's hot. I was stranded for, you know, I had to wait on my brothers to come and help, you know, so I was stranded for at least a good 30 minutes to an hour. So about to go home and get a shower in. Appreciate all the support and all the people who's been subscribing. Let's keep the channel growing, and I appreciate all the love and support. I'm out. See you guys in the next video. And, you know, if you haven't already, you know, just drop a like on this video. Every like on this video, I appreciate it. Drop your comments if you have any questions, and, you know, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all you guys. You know, just appreciate all the support again. So, you know, just drop a like, and it goes a long way. Thank you guys. See you.